In this video, we are using the module AnimationRecorder to generate dynamic animations of a 3D scene. We will be recording a video of the visualization, Vascular Structures tutorial. The URL of the tutorial is available in the comments section of this video. Open the network of the Vascular Structures tutorial and load the file edited image.ml image provided in the comment. The file contains a bronchial tree input mask. You can preview the image in Output Inspector. After executing the Run Python script, you will see a colored 3D visualization of the vascular structures as loaded from the file. Add an AnimationRecorder module to your workspace. For easier connections, also add a SO Group module and connect all inputs of the SO Examiner viewer to the SO Group module. Connect the output to the SO Examiner viewer to get your 3D scene back. Also connect the SO Group to your AnimationRecorder module. The rendering is shown in the preview window, too. In your AnimationRecorder, click New to initiate a new animation, selecting a file name for the recorded keyframes. You can now define the duration, frame rate and resolution of your resulting video. We create a 10 seconds video. You can see that your camera is a perspective camera and it already has a first keyframe defining the camera location for the beginning of the video. Whatever we do in the preview window will be used as initial camera location. Create a new keyframe at 3 seconds, select Auto Apply and change the camera location for this keyframe. If you now play your animation, you can see that your changes have been applied. The camera location changes in time. Add some more keyframes and rotate or zoom the camera. You now created your first movie using camera movements and keyframes. The frames between the keyframes can be filled linear, spline or jump. You can use any field of your network and add it to your animation. Just as an example, we change the display mode of the SO Vascular System module during animation. Drag and drop your field to the AnimationRecorder and add keyframes. Change the value for different time points and preview your animation. It makes sense to use numeric fields for smooth animations like transparencies. In this case, we chose an enumeration for different display modes. These fields just change and do not have an interpolation. In the end, you can record your video and open the resulting file in your preferred media player. Be creative, we just wanted to show you the basic principles of the AnimationRecorder module. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.